So okay guys, after changing the oil on your 2013 Ford F150 XLT 3.7 liter, you may still see the oil change required note. So I'm going to show you how we get that off, guys. Okay guys, so first thing we'll do is to turn our key to the on position without starting the engine. So the next step, we're going to press setup and then we'll hit reset to clear the codes. So setup and reset to clear the codes, and then we press setup twice, and there you see oil life 0%. Then we'll hold reset for 3 seconds. Oil life set to 100%. So that's how you reset the oil change required message, guys, on your dash. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and I'll leave the video for the oil change procedure, guys. Thanks for watching. God bless. Y'all have a great day. Thank you.